Alright, welcome ladies and gentlemen to another episode on Network Trade. So right now it's currently Sunday here in Lagos, Nigeria. Sunday 4 p.m. So welcome to a new week. Last week was a wonderful week. Last week was a banger for us. Alright, we took 4 trade. 3 was a win and 1 was a loss. So this week I'm looking to keep the winning streak ongoing. So the first trade on my list this week is Euro AUD. Just in case you are new here, for those that are new here, this is a top-down analysis for the week. These are the markets I'll be interested in for the week, and all these markets are going to be taken live. Okay, in case you are new here, you can join my team, and I take all this trade live from my Telegram group. There will be description down below, and also let's get on to it. Euro AUD is the first trade on my list. Euro AUD coming down. We bought Euro AUD from this zone last week, so this week I'm also looking to buy Euro AUD. Coming down to the weekly. On the weekly, we are at a very good support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above this zone, we are using this area as a support. Whenever we are below, as a resistance. Support, resistance. Whenever we are below, but whenever we are above as a support, but whenever we are below as a resistance. Coming down the daily, we are also bullish on the daily. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low. So, and whenever we are above this area, we are using it as a support, but whenever we are below, as a resistance. So coming down to the 4 hour, the 4 hour we are on the 4 hour, we are bearish on the 4 hour. The 4 hour we are bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high. So what I'm simply waiting for right now is a breakout of the zone. The minute we have that breakout, we are going to have a shift in structure on the 4 hour. So as at the retest, is where I'm looking to go in for my buy. The next trade is GBPAUD. GBPAUD, we bought this market at this level last week. This was one of the winning trade we had. So this week I'm also looking to buy. All right, so on the weekly, we're at a very clean support and resistance zone, and we are bullish on the weekly. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low on the weekly, and whenever we are above this zone, we are using this area as a support. But whenever we are below, as a resistance. Whenever we are below, as a resistance, okay, resistance. But whenever we break above, retest it as a support. Now coming down to the daily. On the daily, we are also bullish. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low, and whenever, same case scenario here, but whenever we are below as a resistance, whenever we are below this zone as a resistance, but whenever we are above as a support. Now coming down to the 4 hour on GBPAUD, coming down to the 4 hour, we are also bullish. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low. So what I'm simply waiting for right now is for this market to break out of the zone. At the minute you have a breakout, as at the retest, I'll be going in for the continuation for the buy on GBPAUD, just like we did last week. So the next trade is EURUSD. I'm also looking to go long on you. I'm looking to go bearish on EURUSD. I'm looking to sell EURUSD just like we did last week. So last week we were looking to sell EURUSD. Now this week, same thing. On the weekly, we are bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high. All right, and whenever we are above this area, we are using this zone as a support. Whenever we are below, as a resistance. But whenever we are above, as a support. Now we have broken below on the weekly, coming down to the daily as well. On the daily, we are also bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high, and we have a breakout already. This look more like a retest on the daily. So whenever we are above this zone on the daily, we are also using this area as a support. Whenever the market is above this zone, is acting as a support, but whenever the market is below, is acting as a resistance. Now coming down to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have something very, very interesting on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we are bullish on the 4 hour, but on the 4 hours, we also have the head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this being the head, this being the right shoulder. So as at the breakout of these necklines, where we are looking to go in for our sell, and the minute we have that breakout, we are going to have a shift in structure on the 4 hour. So we are going to have the 3 time frame bearish. So as at the retest of this neckline is where we are looking to go in for our sell. So that is pretty much it. I have extra 2 market analyzed. and there will be an announcement at the end of the next video. So stay tuned for the next video coming shortly after this. All right, there's an announcement that I'm going to be announcing in the next video. So this is pretty much it for now. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll be breaking down the remaining two pairs. Peace out for now.